How y'all doing, everybody? Nene here. Look at some cars. We're gonna start all the way. We're gonna start all the way down here. And it's windy, so I got my whole face protected. Y'all remember we came, oh well, I probably don't remember, but we came here like some, like the Civic, long time ago. Why they got those inside the fence? Hot minute ago. And looked at some, they had some pickup trucks over here. Oh, nitro. Ooh, it's muddy. Nice and muddy over here, and I ain't got my boots on. Ooh, got these sock shoes on. Hope no, if you don't get wet. Y'all, look. This nitro look exactly same color. That's why the thing's all zoomed in. Same color that mine was. My handles weren't chrome though. Damn, I like this. I love this nitro. These things are nice. And comfortable. They're asking $4,900 cash for the nitro. What do y'all think? And I ain't trying to go too far. I ain't gonna be able to look at this. Give me this Toyota over here because it's muddy and wet over there. $56.99 cash on that. But this is the exact same color. The lip on mine was messed up though down below, but mine was all solid blue all the way through. That one has a plastic gray bumper, but dang, these chrome mirrors look pretty good on here. What do y'all think? Y'all think the chrome on the nitro looks good? I think it looks really, really, really good on here. Do they have the doors open? I don't want to set the alarm off, but they do. So we can look inside and all that good stuff. Yay. You can look in there. Smells good in here. 124,000 miles. Y'all see that? 124, 685 on the dash. We got change in here. Looking pretty good, nice and clean. Minus the dirt on the floor, but looks pretty good. You open the back, y'all. Finally, some cars we can actually really look in. Not bad. And then of course you got the space back there in the back, but little scratches right here. Mine was the exact same color and I loved it. I really want to get another one, honestly. We got the Expedition. I hope y'all can hear me. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get my new camera soon and get my little mic and stuff because I'm about to be full-fledged with this YouTube stuff. So got the Expedition 4500. Yeah, this one's locked. It's not open. I feel the water going in my shoe. That's not great. A little bit of bubbling right here. A little bit right here. Nothing too bad. Oh goodness, look at all this. Y'all look like I'm near like a damn swamp or something. It really, look at that. Like I'm near a swamp. Okay, so somebody really threw their gloves out here on the ground. Oh, I gotta get out of here. Go over there on the gravel. Alright, y'all got the Hyundai right here. Yeah, I'm not really caring too much about the Hyundai. I'm trying to get over here out this water. I got these sock shoes on. Bad idea. My feet are wet. Hope y'all can hear me over the wind. We got a Honda Odyssey over here, 2010. Man, this is from, oh, thank you. Is this open? I don't want to try to open it and the alarm go off. It's locked. I don't want the alarm go off. I'm like, oh no. Like got lucky with the nitro over there. Chevy Impala. Like this is open. It is. We're gonna take a look inside. I don't got too much space. Ooh. Ooh. Nice and clean. Got a little bit of crack right there on the center console, but other than that, we'll look in the back. I can't really get an angle because not much room right here. Y'all see how clean it is. What's up with the avalanche over here in the fence? You see the Impala. We got a Journey over here. Take a look at the Journey. I got a scuff and a dent right there. And this, I don't think this is open. I don't want to. Nope, it is open. Yay! Today's our lucky day. All right, so 152,128 miles on the dash. Got your TV down there. Got your daggone seats in the back. These do not, some of them I think do. They have the third row. Yep, they do. This one does. Little stains and stuff on the seat. Probably from sweaty back. A sweaty back. Got some scratches and all of that, but not bad. I really don't like the Journey though. To me, the Journey's like bootleg. Sorry y'all, version of the Durango, but that's how I feel. And we got a Honda Civic over here. I think this is locked. Yeah, the Civic is locked. They said they locking their Civic up. I get it. Their Honda Civics is like, everybody can get a Honda Civic, and then, you know, people will steal your parts and stuff off of it. Even though the parts are cheap, people will still do that. This one is a stick. People will still steal your parts off of it, even though, you know, the Honda Civic parts are so cheap to get. But other than that, it's pretty clean. We got a Toyota Tacoma right here, SR5. Y'all, it is chilly out here. I don't like these plastic fenders on these trucks or any other car. Really, I just don't think it looks good. I like the whole solid, you know, when they do that whole solid color all the way through. Got a little ding right here. Is this open? Nope, it's locked. I'll do my best to try to look in the ones that are open. You got a dent right here. A little faded on the hood, but ain't nothing too bad. So that's that. And y'all seen guys' caravans. And I think this is open. They don't get a price on this. I don't think this is open. And nobody's gonna steal nothing on a caravan unless you're really that just desperate. Smells pretty clean in here though. Of course, you got the third row in here. Little family van. I used to have one of these. We had one. This door's locked, but y'all seen vans before. And at first I didn't like vans. Oh, you got some rust in this rear wheel here. Rear wheel back here, bubbling, and it's really actually starting to flake out. So it's still got time to save it some, so they get that taken care of soon. So this is probably a PA. I guarantee this van came from like Pennsylvania, because that salty ass air out there and water. Usually a lot of PA vehicles have rust on them. Just be rusted out. So you got the cold air. If you buy a van from PA, then, I mean a vehicle from PA, it's best to look underneath of that thing. Make sure it ain't rusted out underneath. So, other side of the van, y'all. So, and then we got the little escape right here. A lot of scratches where like they missing the door with their key or something. They ain't have a remote, so they just scratching everything up. No, this is not escape. I think this is this is escape. Okay, this is Ford Escape. A little escape right here. And then y'all, I had one of those too, the Grand Prix. I think I'm gonna have pictures of it. I'm gonna have to, like I said, I'm gonna do a thing of all the cars I had. So you got the little Ford Escape right there. Is this open? This is locked. Dang, everybody coming in here today for a car? They're checking. You got that angle of the Ford Escape. Then you got the Grand Prix. Love that car. Mine was a charcoal gray. I did have the sunroof on mine. Definitely had it in my firstborn. You see that flaking? That'll be coming off. They might as well just take it off and let it be chrome. It look fine. This is locked. But yeah, me and my firstborn, we were at the Walmart. We were leaving, and the guy wasn't paying attention, and he slammed right here, y'all, right here into me on that side of me, and messed my car up. So that really sucked when he did that, and I couldn't get my door open on that side. Mazda van, and I was pissed, and my phone flew somewhere, so I was so mad I yelled at the guy. And I had to use his phone. I think this is open. Let's take a look. No? Is it not open? Yeah, it is. Alright, so y'all see the Mazda van. As y'all know, if you watch my videos, I just love vans. Obviously, I want something a lot bigger than this. Like I said, I've had a caravan and stuff before, and I grew to love them. We got an Expedition. It is so roomy and so comfortable and everything. And y'all know we had the black Expedition that was like this. We don't have it no more. This is locked. These Expeditions are pretty nice. If you got Navigator and Expedition, basically the same, and then obviously the Aviator was like the Explorer, but the Aviator didn't last long. You got a Camry, an older Camry. Got the sunroof. Oh, you know what, y'all? Do they have a price on Expedition? No price. The Camry, they're asking $2,999 cash. You think, y'all? Cadillac DeVille, we had one of those, same color, but way better. We had a lot of options. We had the aftermarket grille. We had the camera right here, camera in the front of it, of the DeVille. So the night vision camera. The night vision camera is a circle, and it's like dead center in the front of the Cadillac DeVille, and it shows you up on the window. Well, I'll talk about it when I get over there. Let's just look at this Camry. I don't know if this thing is unlocked or not. I think it is. Nope, it's locked. I don't really like this body style. I don't like this body style of the Camry, and you see this thing's been hit in the back before, because this is not the original bumper that goes with this Camry, because you can see it doesn't line up. Y'all see that? The line go right here. It's supposed to be right here, and this is silver. This is champagne color, bumper silver. Whoever put it on, as you can see the gap right here. I can literally fit my finger in between the bumper. They didn't get the bumper all the way up on there. This bumper should lift up a whole lot more. Whoever did it did a shitty job of putting it on. So if you're looking to buy this, you would want the price to go down a whole lot more because of the bumper in the back. You got that gap like that in this. But back to the DeVille, it was like a circle camera right here in the center, night vision camera, which would show, ew, somebody's mask. I thought it was a thong at first, but said that's gross. It showed you everything way up ahead in the distance, and it would show up on the screen, on the windshield right here. So let's say there's a, at night you can see deers way up ahead, so you know to slow down. You can see cops up there sitting on the road. So that night vision camera we had on ours was dope. We loved it. Until some guy smashed into front of our DeVille at a 7-Eleven, and we had to get it fixed. And then they ordered the wrong grill and everything, so we weren't happy about that. But that we had our DeVille like shit, like probably like 11 years ago. Yeah, about 11 years ago. So y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the cars. That's gonna be a part 2. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all again. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next one.